everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive files not syncing or uploading automatically. First of all, open the Drive settings in the top right corner and then go to settings. Then ensure background refresh app and cellular data are allowed. We're going to check your internet and available Google space storage. See if you have a stable Wi-Fi to rule out network issues. After that, refresh the folder or pull down to sync or re-upload the file. Next, safety tip: avoid using sensitive files on untrusted public Wi-Fi. Quick fix: if automatic sync fails, upload the file manually through the plus upload button. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and